Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 3. A picture is painted on a cardboard of 8 cm long and 5 cm wide such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. That means here you see this is the cardboard. Suppose the length of this is 8 cm, breadth is 5 cm, and the this is a margin of 1.5 centimeter on all sides. This is 1.5, this is also 1.5, this is 1.5 centimeter, and this is 1.5 centimeter. You have to find the area of the margin. The shaded portion is the margin. That means you have to find the area of ABCD minus area of EFGH, right? First of all, you find the length of EF and length of GF, right? First one, let us solve. First, that is that is length of painted cardboard. Length of length 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 of length of painted cardboard. Length of painted cardboard. Length of painted cardboard is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. And breadth of painted cardboard. Breadth of painted cardboard. Breadth of painted cardboard is equal to 5 centimeter. Is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now here you see the total length is 5 centimeter, but here the width is 1.5 and 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 means 3 centimeter. That means this length is 2 centimeter. This length is 2 centimeter. Right? The same way you see this length is 1.5, this length is 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3 centimeter. Therefore, you have to subtract 3 from 8, that is 5 centimeter. The length of this length is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Right? Let us find. Right? Now there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter long from each of its sides. Therefore, reduced length. Therefore, reduced length is reduced length. Reduced length is, here you see the whole length is 1.8 centimeter minus 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 5 centimeter. In second bracket it is centimeter. Therefore, we will find 8 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, add it 1.5 plus 1.5. 5 5 10, carry 1, it is 0, 1 2 3, 3.0, that is 3. 8 minus 3, that comes to 5 centimeter. That comes to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. And that is the value of EF, reduced length EF. The value of EF is equal to 5 centimeter. Right? Now, reduced breadth. Reduced breadth. Reduced breadth is equal to, this is whole length is 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, that is in centimeter. Therefore, you will get 5 minus 3 centimeter is equal to 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. That is the length, that is the breadth of GF. Reduced breadth, suppose GF. GF. Right? Now to find the area of the margin. The area of the margin is equal to, therefore area of the margin, area of the margin, of the margin, area of the margin, area of the margin is equal to area of, is equal to area of ABCD, A, B, C, D minus area of EFGH minus area of minus area of EFGH, EFGH, right? I will find area of ABCD. The length is 8 centimeter. Area is length into breadth, right? Length is 8 and breadth is 5. That is 8 into 5. 8 into 5 centimeter square. Centimeter square minus area of EFGH. Here the length is 5 and breadth is 2. Length is 5 and breadth is 2. It is 5 into 2. That is equal to 5 into 2 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Therefore, 5 is 40. 40 minus 5 is 10 centimeter square. And that comes to 40 minus 10, that is 30 centimeter square. That is equal to 30 centimeter square. Right? Hence we can say the total area of the margin is 30 centimeter square. Thus we can say, thus the total area, thus the total area of the margin, total of the area of the margin is 30 centimeter square. Right? Here you see, that means you have to subtract the area of the bigger rectangle than the minus area of this rectangle, right? That we get the area of the margin, right? First of all, you have to find the reduced length, that is 8 minus, this is 1.5, right? That is 1.5 minus 1, this is 1.5 and 1.5, that is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5, right? Here also you see, this is 5 centimeter, right? The breadth is 1.5, this is 1.5, this is also 1.5. The reduced length will be 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, that comes to, that is 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, that is 5 minus 3, that is comes to 2, right? Therefore you have to find the area of the margin as area of ABCD minus area of EFGH. Area of ABCD's length is 8 and breadth is 5 centimeter, and in this case EF, the length of EF is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2, 5 into 2, that you are getting 30 centimeter square. Thus the total area of the margin is 30 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.